All right. Let's try doing something today. If you're here, how's it going? How's it going today? We're gonna try to make some code. All right. We got chat. We got code. We have everything we need. How's it going today? All right. Everything going good. Okay. So we were at this part where we had different section for different things. So let's get into implementing it. So right now we were, passing along operation, then CS and MF. So CS should contain what we need in order to create our new tag and our new AST and our new instance inside the bridge tag and bridge AST. Not bridge AST, just bridge tag. So we should be able to get this working. How's it going, Q-King? Hello. Happy to see you. Alright, let's implement extract. I don't think that we've implemented anything. Yeah, we did not. Alright. Let's get to AST. Ba-da-deep-dep-dee. And let's define extract. So by defining extract at the AST level, we're going to be able to get this shit going. I'm doing great, and you? A little bit sleepy? Weird on medication right now, I'm switching things up, but I'm good, okay? I'm good. Apart from all the other thing, I'm doing good, okay? Life could be way worse, and you know what? Each time things are going bad, things go better afterward. Because I'll make them go better, no matter the fuck what. That's what I'm doing. Alright. It must be late where you are. Hope you're not too sleepy. But if you are, you're welcome. Alright. So we're doing the extract thing. So extract should do a couple of things. Let's just add some comments. So we should first create... You know what? Let's put the comment inside of it. So, numero uno, create a tag. Number two, create, create tag name, create tag, create bridge tag, create no, we need to create the AST beforehand. First thing should probably be AST. Create tags / AST names, and then create AST. Alright, that should be the order. Yep, 1 AM. Have to wake up at 6 as always. Good, good. Good luck, brother. Good luck. I hope work, or whatever the fuck you're doing, is not too demanding. I hope. Alright, so how are we even storing names in the first place? Let's go look about how we store shit. Can we get this on a new line? Does that make sense? Oh, fuck it. Feels weird anyway. Okay. MAST. Okay. So the name is inside of the AST. Okay, that could make sense. Then, okay, so AST container. We don't look at that. Then we have M tag. Okay. How do we know the name of a tag? I guess we don't, question mark? I'm going if that's okay. Don't want to be fired. That's fair, brother. Good sleep. Don't be fired. Your job is important, okay? Believe me. Working is good. Bye-bye. Alright. Here I'm kind of confused. So the name of the thing is inside of the AST. Alright. I guess that makes sense. I guess. Yeah, I think it does. Alright. Let's stop overthinking this. Because we don't need to. Right? We don't need. What the fuck am I thinking about? We don't need to think about any of this. We don't need to think about this. Because we're going to use the debug function. So we actually just create AST with the debug within it. Then a tag that points to the AST. And then a bridge tag. Alright. That's fair. So let's get that going. Let's put caps on thing. Okay. Okay. So create AST. How does that CS? How does CS even work? I don't remember. Change set dot store. Okay. Wait a second. Maybe we should store this. Maybe when we do cs.store, it could store also in a line, right? If we feed it a line number, it should be able to put it in a line. I'm overcomplicating it again. So let's do cs.store. Let's make this very simple. So cs.store for the name, we are going to call it, let's do an F string, let's do AST. And let's give it a positional thing, because why not? So AST, CS, the length of what, right? Where is CS? That's stable handling, change set. So when we do store, we store in StoreDict? No, we store in CS. Yes. We store in .cs. That's why call happened to .cs. Okay. So let's do this, right? Here we can do len cs.cs. All right. So the length of our array that is storing things it will display a number with AST. So now we have kind of a name for the thing. Okay. Now how do we want to store this? So here we would want to do .set. Yes, .set or just parenthesis, right? So we start with, I have issues with this, I guess. Fuck my life. Bro, I hope that I have not lost anything. Thank you. Okay. I don't know why it bugs when I drag some things for some reason. Okay. So we're starting with AST, right? So we have AST and AST debug. So let's start with MAST. So to be able to do a set, we do this, this, and this is the equivalent of a set. Yes. Yes, it is. So AST ID. That means we should be able to do none. None means actually put whatever the fuck you want. Second should be name for the AST. I guess name could be something like, oh, let's redo this. So AST, we will have the length at the end, and at the start we could have the name of the class, right? So we could do self.class.name. All right. So this feels good. And what's the other thing for AST? Type ID. Okay. So we should have a type ID debug. We should encode all of the types. But for now, let's put it at 0 because it doesn't matter. So we have a name for our thing. It will put an ID automatically. And it ends up with 0. Okay. Let's just see how we do our stores so that it looks good. Okay, we do them column per column. So let's do them column per column. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay. cs.store. All right. That looks very good to me. I like this setup. Okay. Okay. So now we should be able to call the AST by using this. So we should be able... Oh, right before we should do the create AST debug. And we should do if AST debug. Hello, Guardian. Disabled. All right. So that should be... So that should be a thing. If AST debug disable. If not, fuck. Let's not put any conditional for now. I just bought QKing's company and I'm firing him as we speak for not doing a good job as mod. Poor QKing. QKing is trying his best, okay? No, he's an angel. I love him a lot. Just like I like you, Guardian. It's fun having you around. It's fun. Trying to get some shit done, but gotta say I'm not the best right now. Not the best. Trying my best, trying my best. AST debug. What does AST debug look like? AST debug. First of all, let's copy this over so that we don't do any mistake. AST. AST. Let's do M. Well, this one having AST fits. How's life recently? Not good. Not good. I had to call a plumber. Got fucked by him. I'm not a conspiracy-minded person, but when you have two plumber to your house and one tells you that you should burn the house down and all the pipes within it, and the other one's like, yeah, it's fine. What's the issue? Maybe I've been fucked. Maybe. Anyway, not planning on calling anyone else, but home insurance requested it, so I'm kind of fucked, right? Normally I would do all of these things myself, but whenever home insurance is like, yeah, you gotta do this, you gotta do this. Not as if I could just say, fuck you. Even though I would love to. Okay. AST ID. So here, I should relay whatever the fuck's inside of this. Now, how do I do this easily? We already do this here, right? We have a get function. Get ref. Oh, ha, ha. Oh, ha, ha. Get. Okay. So here, we should be able to do this. This. Oh, that's going to feel so fucking great. If it works first try, I'm so happy. But no, apart from this, life's going great. Everything's chugging along. Trying my best to have as much money as one does. But no, I'm proud of where I am, and I'm just trying to keep everything going. Okay, JSON. So I'll have to pass along some kind of JSON here. I guess there must be a simplified way to JSONify things, right? There's a JSONify that exists. That's a name, right? Speaking of plumbing, I just moved and got a bit fucked by my new landlord. How so, brother? How so? Pre-existing problems. I don't know what the even means in that sentence. Do you mean that you moved and now you have a bunch of problems? Because if so, rip. I'm searching on the wrong screen. Python. Dict to JSON. Why do I write it like JSON? Okay, so I guess I can just do this. If I can, I'm happy. Let's go. Part of what would it be? First of all, we would need to import JSON here. So let's import JSON here. Where is my AST? Where is my AST? There is my AST. Okay. So here, I should seek to have self dot dict and JSONify whatever the fuck this is. So I should do JSON the dump self. Right? That should work. That's a stretch, okay? I have no confidence in that one. No confidence. You know what? This should be a standard function. Yep. Def AST debug. We should pass self CS and AST ID thing. All right, that sounds good. So we would need to do this. All right, this can pass this along. Fuck the breakpoint. Okay. Oh, fuck. The debug thing. Okay. Like this. Okay, okay. This looks better. I like that now. CS. Then we should just pass this. Now it's universal. Okay. We're going to be able to reuse this way more throughout all of our things. It's going to be way more fun. Way more fun. Okay. There we go. Now create the tag. The tag might be a little bit more complicated. Let's go into it. So what does a tag look like? You know what? I'll just copy this. Just so I don't have to look 15 times. Okay. So we should do cs.store. Technically, why do I say technically here? Okay, let's create a random tag name because we don't care. What the fuck's going on? Someone throwing snow or... I'm schizo. Okay. So we're storing a name. I'm back. My internet died a bit. I saw that. It's okay. I was yapping to myself. Being like, okay. I must be supremely uninteresting. But who gives a fuck? Oh, I'm having too much fun, okay? Always too much fun. Alright, so first is tag ID. So for that we should be able to do none. Second thing is the VID start, which should be our current VID. Yeah, where the fuck am I going to take that? VID start. I have it inside of files, I think. Okay, I could take it from file. And when I encoded it, did I say file or did I say M file? I said file. Okay. So I can get ref file and get DVID. Will that reference... Can that reference be done while running? Do I have access to GP or no? I don't. Fuck. I should have access to that at all time. I should have access to current version. Fuck. I guess I can set it inside of change set. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Self dot current VID. Okay. Let's put that up top. cs.currentVID equals gp.vid. Oh, that should be here. Okay, that's great. With pre-existing problems, I meant that the new house I'm in has some kind of hidden feature, and the clever motherfuckers made some crazy legal gymnastic in the contract to make me fix what was already broken. Oh, rip. That's not fun. Is it something that, like, cost a lot of money? Or is it something that is, like, just annoying? Like, very annoying. A lot of work. Huh. That's not fun. That's annoying. Alright, VIDN is 0 for now. Code. Oh shit, we don't have access to the code in this format. Well, technically. Technically we don't, okay? Let's leave it a none. ASTID. We got that here. So we can make a good old getref. Getref. We should be able to use this. Oh fuck. When I do getref, I need to do dot whatever the fuck I need from it. Right? That's a thing I need to do, I think. Do we have a usage of getref? Oh no, it's a second part. Okay. I'm so smart. How's the progress? Well, we have not done shit lately, so now I need to do shit. That's about it. That's about it. I don't know if there's much progress, but I feel that there is. That's the important part, hey? Do I name it ASTID? Yes, I do. Okay. ASTID. Good. Okay. So we've done this. Highlight start, highlight end. I have no effing idea how I will implement this correctly. So let's put zeros. Okay. Okay, so here I have a tag. Okay, I'm near having like a start for the AST and some rules on how to process it. Then we're going to be able to violate my CPU to parse all the file in the kernel just to get a list. Just to get a list. Okay. So tag is good. Now bridge tag. Bridge tag requires us. Let's go get bridge tag. That's a lot of files, indeed. And the worst part of it is, we'll do this, we'll process it, right? And we won't see that much. Like the good result is not that impressive. Alright, mbridge tag. So the first thing that we need is the FID. So for the FID, I guess we go with getref. So we should do getref, file, second argument should be FID. So here we have the FID, easy shit. Second thing is tag ID. So then I can do kind of the same thing. So this, getref, but we do this to get the tag ID. Tag ID. Doop. Easy. Line start, line end. Those two can be zeros. That's not needed. Alright. Let's remove this. So right now, we should have a working system for how to parse the entire fucking kernel and putting this shit into debug. Yeah! Let's get to it. So we do all that processing, we shove it into CS, we get the fuck out of there. Yeah, that feels fair. So there's probably like some process stopping thing that we have that will fuck us over. But I choose to believe. So we're gonna run this shit, and we're going to believe. So we do that parse here. But parse requires CS. Oh, we're inside of CS. Okay. Retard alert, retard. Okay. Okay, let's run this. Very fair, very fair. Okay. Let's get the start. Parse. Type check. Type check is not defined. Okay. Type check is from here. And I guess we don't import inside of table. Do we import type list? We don't. Where do we import type list? We do it here. Okay. So not that bad of an issue for now. Could be worse. Name CAST parse not defined. Okay. And that's inside of table handling? Seems reasonable. Yeah, that's probably what I'll say for every one of these. Seems reasonable. Okay, so we call it here. Indeed. Like, that's retarded, right? Because I'm calling something that we don't even have access to. So in reality, CAST should be imported from table handling. Yeah. And nowhere do I import CAST. Is this right? Bro, what a meme. Okay. And I just need CAST parse. Alright, let's stay minimalistic, I guess. From parser dot CAST import CAST parse. Alright, so if I import, when we do that, can it access other thing within a Python file? Oh, that's a brain fuck that I'm doing here. When we import something from a Python file, if we say import CAST, it doesn't cut off everything else and just imports this. It actually imports the full thing. It just only binds this to a name. Oh my. I feel like I'm understanding the matrix. Alright, what's the bug now? change set object has no attribute current. Dot current file. Did you mean current VID? Where the fuck did I ask this? Line 19. Okay. Very fair. Don't I have current file? One of the many great design choices of Python. Well, it feels great. Okay, it's current path, I guess. Alright. Can we stop with the dumb little syntactic fuckaroo? Like the things that are not issues but that are issues? Based. Bro. File handler.master file object at whatever the fuck this is include. Okay. Nice meme, nice meme. What the fuck is going on? Why are you trying? Where is such heresy even attempted? Okay, CAST. Okay. So current path returns whatever the fuck this is. Wait. How are we setting current path for it to do this? Change set. And where does current path come from? Probably comes from the start of this. Bro, what the fuck is this then? Can I zoom in and out a bit? For my visual enjoyment? Okay. Nice meme. Why does it pass an object? I'm confused. Like here we have cut file. Cut file is text. So we're putting text. What does the init look like? Operation, so it should be 0, 0. Current path, old path. Okay. Okay. Sounds fair. So dot current path should give us the right thing. CS dot current path. Oh, wait. What's happening? How does AST manager even work? Init mentioned based. So mf equals mf there. Oh fuck, that's retarded. Wait, what the fuck? Okay. But that's retarded? Okay. I'm so confused. So I did not meant it to be used directly. Okay. I'm confused. Okay. So I probably do version dict, version name. Okay, yeah, that's how it's meant to be used. Okay. So I should do this. So version dict, and then Version name. Oh man, that's retarded. If I'm not on... Okay. Okay, let's rename all of this because it's so fucking disgusting how it's badly worded that I want to kill myself, okay? What is this? This is... No. No. Okay. Okay, we're starting to get it. So now we should be able to go wherever we parse the thing and do this. Ah, now it feels good. Okay. So here we should be able to do gp dot version name. Ah. So this should work. No more dummy dum dum things. That naming scheme just there to mess me up. What happened? Okay, first of all, we're printing everything. That's kind of based, but not at all. So let's shut it the fuck up. Is part of the syndex thing to tell it to shut up? Okay. Let's make something that if this is false, then all of the other are going to not print. This was a bit of text. That was a bit of text. That's fun. Okay. Where are the print statement in this? Print. This shit is not implemented. Based. Okay, I guess we can do this. If this... And this. Does end has to be capitalized? No. Okay. End. There we go. So that makes sense. So all of these prints are deleted. Alright. Now, other prints. Can I just copy this over? Like the lazy guy that I am? Boom. And we can do if boom. Oh man, we're doing it. Alright, so we have absolutely trounced the printing. So now it won't be as horrible as before. Happy to see that the include doesn't give a fuck. Alright. Where's that print that I'm missing? Okay, where does it come from? I don't get it. Name, override, global CAST not defined. Okay, that's a very valid thing to say. Is it because I pinpoint the global stuff? It's because I have not saved it. Very fair again. Very fair. I'm getting all the dumb errors, but I'll get it. Why does this print? That's because of a terminal command, right? That's like a something else returning this. That's from the include somewhere. I'm sure it is. Bro, the include on this. What the fuck are we doing? CS extract missing one positional argument MF. Wait. No, I'm retarded. Okay. MF there. Yeah. Okay, but why should extract contain... Why? What's the point? You fucking retard. Okay. So that's first, and he has the individual print based. I absolutely love the individual print. Give me more. Get me in. I'm so confused. It's something I'm doing here. Like when I'm parsing, for some reason it starts yelling. Bro, I don't care. Just fucking print it. Invisible print. Just spam my ass and call me a sandwich, okay? That's what I want. Extract. MAST. What the fuck is that? That's something that I've not loaded again. Exactly what I need. Something not loaded yet. Thank you, MAST. Thank you. Bro, how the fuck do I deal with this? This is such AIDS. So I need to come and bind the fucking tables now? Did I do a thing for this, or did I, like, kill myself? Can you buy more MASDs? Yes. www.buymoreram. That's always the important thing to do, the moral thing to do, the only thing to do. Okay, I feel... like we're retards here. Yes, we are. I'm calling it... Retards? Okay. Okay, am I passing GP at this point? GP as table array, I can call the tables from there and fix all my problem with this. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Who the fuck knows? Oh. And I need to end up passing it to MASD. Sorry, to AST extract. What a stupid fucking idea. Oh, I just saw Orange Dude did some deal. What do we mean by deal again? If it ain't my carnet, it doesn't exist. Oh no. That's a bad fucking title. US Supreme Court ruling offers little respite for global economy. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Let me read this shit. While the US Supreme Court ruling on Friday against President Donald Trump's uses of tariffs marks a clear setback for his use of trade levy as an economic weapon, analyst says it offers little immediate relief for the global economy. Instead, they expect another bout of activity crimping confusion combined with near certainty that Trump will seek many other means to replace the raft of old tariff now struck down as unlawful. Or the Canadian one? IEPA? Bro, the IEPA are the Canadian one. They're the, Wait. Am I retarded? Bro. Effective immediately. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Aha, my stocks are going to be stonksing so fucking hard, bro. I need to go back to praying to Mark, okay? I need to pray harder. Mark Carney, save me. A refund on that shit? Bro. That would fucking destroy the US. Holy fuck. You want money to be fucking sent back? They're already short on money. They put it all into fucking ice. Monday will be unhinged, and by the by, I fucking leveraged for this weekend, okay? I was like, you know what? This shit is going to be awesome, okay? Let's buy. Let's buy. I sold my oil, most of it. Not all, but most. And now, I'm all into Canadian banks, okay? I love my TD. I love my TD. So bye-bye Synovus. Now we're in PAL, which is a financial thing. And TD. Bro, this is going to fucking go vertical. This is so good. You know what? There's only one thing that we need. To fucking nuke Iran. And with that, we've got everything we need, okay? Everything we can. We're gonna be fucking rich. I'm making so much fucking money from investments. It's so dirty. Never again will I, like, live another day without putting money aside. Holy fuck. I truly hope the Americans re-elect him. I like that we're just fucking... we're there laughing because our leaders are literally fucking reordering, repiping the fucking world economy around the United States. We're all fucking them. Like what they were telling that we were doing before, we are now doing. It's as if like all of the talk about the world is stealing from us. People were like, you know what? That's actually not a bad idea. Let's do our own thing. Fuck them. Oh man. I fucking hate him. He should not be there and not exist. I know that we could do much better even. We could do so much better even if he wasn't there. We're not doing good because he's there. We're doing good in spite. But still, when I see dumb fuckery like that, I close the window. When I see that, like, what was literally hampering the Canadian growth is removed, I'm sorry, I have a fucking boner. Boner. Alright. Alright, but what the fuck? Okay. Should I import from main these definitions? No. No, 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 no. No, I'm being retarded now. Okay, I need to stop thinking. Stop thinking. G. No. GL. Def. GL. Okay, and GL, what it does is it returns name. In return, the module global thing that we add, okay? Where is the module thing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's fucking disgusting. Oh yeah. So we can do get attribute, this, then the name of the attribute, which should be name. I laugh every day when I read the news. Trump effectively gives me joy. It would too if it was not for like the literal hundreds of thousands of people then. God, those USAID cuts were fucking violent. It's unhinged. Okay. Okay, so I should be able to, or even better, let's do G. Oh yeah, I like this. Okay. Capital G. Okay. So I should be able to go into AST and do G, this, this, this. Okay, this should work, right? This should work. Okay. You know what? Fuck it. We're trying it. But yeah, life would be better if that overpriced desert they call a country had someone competent. Overpriced desert? Are you like making digs at fucking Las Vegas? Asking for the American to be governed by somebody competent is like... You're asking the impossible here. Why the fuck would they even be able to do such a thing? Are you retarded? No, I love my Americans. I don't want them to be armed. But they need to stop being dumb. I guess I am. Fair enough. Why don't you love them Americans? What have they done to you? Oh, wait. It's funny that now no fucking American can come out and say like, we haven't done anything to you. No, you have. You have. Okay, if this works, is the second coming. I'm doing too much opium these days. It's okay. You don't know the fucking level of opium Canada is on. We're fucking flying over here. Alright. What the fuck is going on here? That's... Yeah, I like that name, okay? I like that name. What the fuck is going on with this? Why doesn't that work? Is it because I'm trying to do a get ref of something that doesn't exist? But it does exist. In life, we've got Holocaust deniers and we've got get ref deniers, okay? getrefs deniers are the worst. They are the worst people. Okay, okay, so it's from AST debug. Okay, that's a good start. At least we're talking for the same thing. Okay, so that's the reference that we use. Okay. So it's the same thing. So why are you being retarded? And then I store it? Bro, my brain right now. What the fuck's wrong with my piece of shit code? I'm so confused. You know it's hell outside when you can hear the wind, like, rape your window. Just being like... Okay. Getref, ASTID name, ASTID. Okay. So, store dict, this. Why doesn't it store it before? Wait. I'm confused. Pikachu, I choose. What the fuck? So I stored this thing. And I choose to send the exact same thing. Oh, I'm a retard. Shut up, shut up. Shut up, Maple. Shut the fuck up. Of course, if you use something that changes every time, like every time you add a thing, it changes the length of an array, and I use the length of the array to do a thing, of course it won't work. Retard. Oh, shit. Object of type line is not JSON serializable. What do you mean? Alright, alright. Alright. How do I make... Oh, yeah, that's... By Python... JSON serializable. There must be a way to, like, customize. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Time to turn everything into strings. I can already do that. I don't want to do that. I know that I can work with dicks, you fucking retard. That's not what I want. Default. Bro, fuck this. We're just we're copying dumb shit, okay? We're copying dumb shit. You know, sometime in life, you just gotta accept you're too dumb for this. Your IQ is room temperature. You're not the smart guy here. Just do the thing, and it will work somehow. I'm ready. Okay. Okay, why do I have the same error now? Oh. So sorry, so sorry. This now works. I just have the same problem as before. Because I'm a dumbass, okay? Oh, man. We're not being strong advocate of having a brain here. Okay, if this works, I'll be happy. Oh, whoops. But it did the wrong place. Whoop-de-doo, fuck you. If it works, I'm happy. This is the run. Indeed it is. It is. Okay. Oh, am I doing the same thing with the tag ID? Yeah. Okay. I'm doing the same thing here. That's because of the dumb fucking names that I give them. Is there any way that I can not do that? But there's going to be all overlap if I do that. Bro, I'm doing dumb shits. I'm just surviving, okay? I'm just trying. This is like a bootleg thing, just to test it. And it doesn't test. And it's kind of triggering. I just want to be able to run a thing. Don't you feel the coom? Don't you feel it? We really fucking need to fix this. Oh, man. You know what's frustrating? Is that at the end of this, each core will have like a minute issue, and they will each crash. So nothing will be sent. But you know what? I'm kind of satisfied seeing this shit running. Trying to run. Just saw like the biggest fucking error passed. Just flashed by. Oh man. Alright, we're actually making some progress here. So, besides like the printing of the lines, which is extra retarded, the other issue that we have is that we need a standardized way to store the thing within CS. So CS is the ability to call back a prior concept that exists. So we should be able to like store the name of the thing, the line number, and maybe some other ID necessary sometime. I don't know. We need some rules. But the fact that it's going through it is very, very fun. Like, can we see how much it Oh no, don't tell me that it's on single core. Oh wow, this is bad. Did I not multi... What? Oh, I fucked around with the multi-threading. Did I? Did I? Where's my CPU mention here? Okay, here it's 8. If we search for CPUs, we'll probably find the way. Now I'm confused. I feel like the wall behind my computer is a different tint of white now. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Oh man, okay. What if you used additional cores for redundancy? Why redundancy? We want to multi-thread the fuck out of it. Oh, I'm retarded. It's probably not doing multi-core because each core are killing themselves one after another. Okay. That's fair, that's fair. Alright. And all that we saw was that one core just running through being like, I'll do it, guys. Okay. You know what I gotta say? It ain't CPP Pro that broke, okay? CPP Pro, it works. It always works. It ain't where it broke. Oh, man. Okay, so I probably need to do some more testing, but before that, I really need to find why it lists all of this shit. Well, print retard 1 2 3 and 4. Okay. That's how we triangulate, guys. That's how we do it. Maybe I'm missing a shut the fuck up somewhere. Yeah. I agree. Ain't dash Q the best line ever? Oh no, because it's multi-core, it's retarded. Okay, we're just seeing the cores like battling for battling for print. We're trying to print. Bitch, let me print. Look at this shit. Okay, it seems to be after 3 most times. So I would assume that it's here that it happens. Let me print. Okay. So this needs a shut the fuck up command. clang stop printing includes. Oh, I think I'm dumb. I think I'm done. There's like some command here that is done for that. Yeah. Like -m is probably made for that. Like clang -m. What does that do? Manual. Okay, please, I'll kill myself. Okay. Okay. Can I have some proper fucking documentation, or is documentation just a meme? Oh, it was a meme! If only you had a man who explained that to you. Badumts. True. I like my man page to not contain whatever the fuck I'm looking about. Machine option. Okay. But what if it's capital M? Okay. Fuck it. It's probably the same thing, right? Okay. Preprocessor. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. In conjunction with an option such as -M, requesting dependency generation. MG assumes missing headers. Okay. Okay. And -M, instead of outputting the result of the preprocessor, wait. Wait. You're so smart. You're so smart. You're so smart. Wait. Oh, we were that close, okay? We were that close from doing it. We were doing the meme, okay? We were doing the meme. I don't even like what is WRL? Okay, WRL is for everything being a warning. Okay, got that. So close. Alright, I don't get it for real. There's something missing here. How do we make C-Lang shut the fuck up? What does -Q even do? If it doesn't make things like shut the fuck up. System V options, of course. That's exactly what I wanted. Ah, okay. Avoid -W. Sounds fair. The fucking C preprocessor, bro. The fucking C preprocessor. It's always How do I make... What even is this shit? This is just the includes. Why does it list to me all of the includes? It feels like something that I've asked. Could it be the position of the arguments? Maybe? I feel like I'm doing something here. I'm doing something retarded, and it will just print automatically, even though it's not supposed to. So diagnostics. Does this print something? Oh man, I don't want to get into fucking C-lang. Syndex. Bro. Okay, and right now we're in TU, right? Okay, yes, we're in the translation unit. I've gone so far. Okay, I've gone so far. I know way too much. I hate my life. Why does this? Why do I know any of this? Return iterable. Wait, why would diagnostics even give me that? .diag. Diag process. Okay, wait a minute. Wait a minute, this is a command. And commands can be fucked with. Enumerate. I'm so confused. Where are we printing? We're printing all of the includes. Why? Is this the thing? Syndex. Verbose. No. Q. Dash Q. Mute. How do we make it shut the fuck up? Okay. Translation unit. Unit. The win is so strong. Okay. Can I get my translation unit? Whoa. I saw something. Get includes. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Where is this from? Hmm. Who the fuck are you? Okay, let's go through it. Okay, that's my code, and my code is perfect, so... Nah. Alright, clearly it's not it. You are C-lang, not C-yapper. True! It doesn't understand. It shall not yap. Okay, is that it? Translation unit dot get file. Okay. Obtain file from translation unit. Okay, bro, what? Okay. Why are we yapping? And that happens here. Like we know it's not that, it's not this, it's this. What's this option? Bro, I'm such a retard. That's our issue here. Clang. Option. Look at this. This is a custom thing hidden away in some dark room. Let's do like dash options, maybe, to understand. Or are they called linkers option? I don't know, bro. What are those? I used to know. Somebody that I used to know. Bro, why are you showing me this? These are not the option that I'm talking about. Clearly. Fuck, let's come back. What is this based on? Yes, I know. What library? Clang API, but there's a specific file, bitch. Bro, I hate this. Okay. Lib Clang. No, not this. Bro, stop. Stop. Lib Clang space. Alright. Where's the code? Not Python, just libclang. Okay, just. Okay. Okay. Show source. I'm not okay. No. No, I'm triggered. Okay, I'm triggered now. Parse. Okay, where is parse? Parse. Okay, parse. Options. Okay, what the fuck are these options? Come here, bitch. Parse. Options equals 0. Okay. Additional command line parameters are in memory. 'Okay. So these are the options that are described in the system, but there are more, okay? There are more. That's a lie, okay? So when you do this, oh, okay, that's what I need. That's what I need. Show me that shit. Look at this. Look at this big brain fucking thing. Translation unit. Where is CX translation unit? Where are you, bitch? I got you. I got you by the balls. Got the fucking flags. $8,000. Retain excluded conditional blocks. Fuck. I was cooking so much. Bro, this is so triggering. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, first of all, this needs to be here, okay? This needs to be here. Second of all, I have no fucking clue. Well, the issue's not there, right? We know that it's this. We have narrowed it down to this prints shit on screen for some reason. But like, which part of it? Why? Like, you know what? I bet that if we do this, okay, let's not fuck ourselves up. It won't do it. Oh. It still does. So it's not this. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're going to get your ass. Now, let's try with this. Shut up, bitch. Where are they? We got them. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Oh, it's probably like these two. But I think they're necessary. Is it warning y'all? Warning y'all! Let's save first. Bro, I wanna go to sleep now. Okay? I wanna go eat my ice cream and go to sleep. It's not warning y'all. Is it MG? Bro, stop. Stop dominating my feed. You bitch. As Colonel, they should never make any mistake. True. What the fuck is this? A mistake? A miss what? Bro, you okay? Mistake. Bro, what is this? It is such heresy, okay? It is. Heresy. And this one is important, right? But it's one of those. Which one is it? Did I save? Yes, I did. Okay. So it would mean... like it must be these two. Together. Or just dash M. But these two work together. So... question mark, question mark? Spam my feed. Spam it, bitch. Okay. Okay. Well, what nice knowing you. These were probably important, but who gives a shit as they print a bunch of shit on screen. Lol. These. Fast doom scrolling. Dazed. Okay. Best screen on all of YouTube. Okay. Alright. So now we have parser errors, which are more readable, I guess. Alright. That's good enough for me. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Let's push this. How do I push any change? Brain. Okay. So I got these. I can do stage all change. And I can do a commit. So my commit will be started working on tag slash ast slash ast debug still getting errors. E71. Alright. Sync. Okay. Okay. So now we've updated our shit. So we're probably going to have to rewrite a bunch of our parser so that it doesn't kill itself in some situations. So that's going to be the work for the next eternity here. But hey, it was fun being with you. I enjoyed it. What's the meme? Okay. Net us some unhinged meme, okay? We're gonna watch it together before going. I'm sorry if your ear dies, okay? I'll be here with you. Oh, Ned. Oh, Ned. What the fuck are you doing with my ears? Okay. Yep. Nice stream. Love being with you, brother. If you're there tomorrow, I'll be there too. Alright? Ciao.